Zoom Tan Sky Cam taking you over to Fort Myers Beach and the Pink Shell Beach Resort and Marina. As you can notice, those clouds really pushing their way westward out into the Gulf and bringing some rain. Check it out, some downpours and storms in the early afternoon into late evening. As you can see on satellite radar imagery, again, those showers and that activity being pushed off toward the west on a pretty brisk easterly breeze. This is all thanks to high pressure that is in place and in control of our weather off of the mid-Atlantic states, and that is what's responsible for bringing us these easterly winds, and with that plenty of moisture, and of course, as we would typically see with a little bit of a west coast sea breeze developing, those two air masses colliding, and really not much more for that air mass to do but other than to shoot straight up into the air and finally condense out in the form of these showers and storms. And tomorrow, guess what? More of the same. As we take a closer look, those raindrops now starting to work their way off of Collier County, off of Naples and the 10,000 Islands. You were the last to see any of this activity. Again, that started in the early afternoon, mainly inland, and continue to push its way off toward the Gulf this evening. Temperatures right now, not a big temperature spread, about a 5-degree temperature spread from the mid-70s for Marco, for example, 75 degrees being reported there, to Fort Myers, 76, Punta Gorda 78, Placida 75, La Belle 76, and Clewiston near Lake Okeechobee in the upper 70s this evening. So going to continue to be muggy and mild tonight as most of us in the metro areas get down to the low 70s this evening. So quite mild. And as we set our in-house model into motion by 8:30 in the morning, most of southwest Florida seeing sunny skies, but some clouds and showers moving their way in off of the Atlantic again with that easterly breeze. And by noon, check it out, a good amount of showers and storms working their way into our inland areas, our inland counties, and continuing to push their way off toward the coast. And by 5 p.m., check it out, some pretty heavy duty showers and storms around southwest Florida, continuing to push their way west as they continue to disintegrate. So tomorrow, very similar to what we saw today. Of course, if you want to enjoy yourself, get out as early as you can. 8 a.m., 74 degrees. Most sunshine we'll see will be early, and then by noon, 86, 5 p.m., 90, with winds turning onshore closer to the coast, and of course those showers and storms billowing up across southwest Florida. Our zone-by-zone forecast showing us inland temperatures here, the warmest approaching the mid-90s, with early afternoon storms here around Charlotte Harbor a little bit later on in the day for those storms, upper 70s to low 90s around our coastal locations, upper 80s to mid-90s, warm late day storms here as well. Again, remember, our inland areas will be getting those showers and storms first, and then for the beaches, partly sunny with those late day storms. Of course, cooler here, temperatures in the mid and upper 80s as winds turn onshore later on in the afternoon. And the extended forecast looks like this. So looks like we dry things out a little bit for Monday into Tuesday. Then as we work our way toward the middle of the week, another cold front moves into North Florida, not working its way close to southwest Florida, but enough of a disturbance to bring us some scattered storms that day. And then as we work our way into the end of the week, it looks like things are looking mainly dry as well. And I know that the boaters are very excited as things are getting much better out there out in the waters. And for Estero Bay, we're looking for actually, where is the bait? Not finding much in the way of bait there. Otherwise, you'll find the snapper in the mangroves, of course, and the reds around the oyster bars. And that is your fishing forecast. Warren, take it away. I'll be back again, of course, quite soon.
All right.